Thank you for visiting us. Enjoy watching.
What a tiring Indonesian flight.
Grammar. The focus of this lesson is expressing feelings and complaints.
Menyebalkan karena ada masalah teknik pada pesawatnya.
The most annoying part was the technical problem with the airplane. When we are facing unpleasant situations and the experience is beyond our expectation, we usually make a complaint about it. Common terms to express complaints include
Permisi,
excuse me,
tolong,
please,
terlalu bising,
too noisy,
mengganggu.
disruptive,
Permisi, suara radio Anda terlalu bising.
excuse me, your radio is too loud.
Maaf, tolong kecilkan suara radionya.
Sorry, please turn down the radio volume.
Suara musik itu terlalu keras, sungguh sangat mengganggu.
The music is too loud, very disruptive. In more direct expressions, we can say things like
Menggelikan,
ridiculous,
mengecewakan,
disappointing,
tidak masuk akal,
unreasonable,
tidak adil,
unfair,
tidak menyenangkan.
unpleasant. For example,
Ini sungguh menggelikan, mengenakan biaya pelayanan $20 untuk pemesanan makanan saja.
this is ridiculous, charging a $20 service fee alone for ordering food.
Pelayanan hotel itu sangat mengecewakan. Kami menunggu lama untuk melakukan reservasi.
The hotel service was really disappointing. We waited a long time to make a reservation.
Sungguh tidak adil, memberikan kompensasi hanya kepada pelanggan besar saja.
It is unfair, giving compensation to big customers only.
Tidak masuk akal memberikan pekerjaan rumah sebanyak itu kepada anak umur 4 tahun.
It is unreasonable to give that much homework to children of the age of 4.
Lamanya penundaan pesawat itu sungguh merupakan pengalaman yang tidak menyenangkan.
The long flight delay was indeed an unpleasant experience. In response to complaints, we often hear this expression.
Maaf atas ketidaknyamanan ini, kami akan menyelesaikan masalahnya.
Apologies for the inconvenience, we will try to solve the problem. Indonesia's main airport. The busiest airport in Indonesia, Soekarno-Hatta Airport, is located in Cengkareng, West Jakarta. The airport was named after the first president of Indonesia, Soekarno, and his vice president Muhammad Hatta, while native Indonesians usually call it Cengkareng Airport. Opened on August 13, 1984, Soekarno-Hatta Airport currently hosts 3 operational terminals, with the international flights going to everywhere from Abu Dhabi in the Middle East and Sydney in Australia, while domestic flights cover everywhere from Aceh in the west to Timika in the east. The average passenger movement in 2013 was around 4 million people per month, while in 2012 the total amount of passengers was 53.7 million. The airport can be accessed through Jakarta Outer Ring Road Highway. While the distance from Monument Nasional, Central Jakarta, to Soekarno-Hatta Airport is 26.8 kilometers, it is just a 30-minute drive by car. Vocabulary.
Laporan,
Report.
sangat,
Very.
penerbangan,
Flight.
ditunda,
Tobe delayed. Postponed.
menyebalkan,
Annoying.
pesawat terbang,
Airplane.
penumpang,
Passenger.
Tunggu.
To wait.
Contoh kalimat.
Sample sentences.
Andi telah membuat laporan untuk atasannya.
Andy has finished making a report for his supervisor.
Iya, saya sangat suka tempe.
Yes, I love tempeh.
Pesawat AirAsia akan membuka rute penerbangan internasional dari Makassar.
AirAsia will open international flight routes from Makassar.
Penerbangan XG589 ditunda selama 30 menit, mohon maaf atas ketidaknyamanan ini.
The flight XG589 is delayed for 30 minutes. Sorry for the inconvenience caused.
Suara bising karnaval itu sungguh menyebalkan.
That noise from that carnival is really annoying.
Pesawat terbang itu mengangkasa.
The airplane is flying in the sky.
Pramugari itu sedang melayani penumpang.
The flight attendant is serving the passenger. Vocabulary phrase usage.
Sangat.
Sung that is used to add emphasis or as an intensifier. The term is always placed before an adjective. For example,
Sangat baik.
means very good,
Sangat segar.
very fresh,
Peristiwa itu sangat mengejutkan karena terjadi pada malam hari.
means the incident is very surprising because it happened at night.
Menyebalkan. Menyebalkan.
Can means annoying. Usually, the adjective is followed by the expression dislike, which is
Tidak suka.
or hate.
Benci.
For example,
Anak kecil itu sedang menunggu ibunya datang ke sekolah.
the kid is waiting for his mother to come to the school.
Aku tidak suka caranya yang membuat orang menunggu, sungguh menyebalkan.
I dislike the way he makes people wait, really annoying.
Percakapan.
Conversation.
Andi, kamu kelihatan sangat lelah.
Andy, you look really exhausted.
Gara-gara penerbangan pesawatku ditunda.
Because of my flight delay.
Ditunda berapa lama?
How long was the delay?
Hampir 3 jam, menyebalkan karena ada masalah teknik pada pesawatnya.
Almost 3 hours. The most annoying part was the technical problem with the airplane.
Parah sekali. Tidak dapat dipercaya ada kejadian seperti ini.
That is terrible. I can't believe such a thing could happen.
Semua penumpang mengatakan hal yang sama.
All the passengers said the same thing.
Omong-omong, Pak Joko ada di ruangan menunggu laporanmu.
Anyway, Mr. Joko is in his room waiting for your report.
Thank you for watching this video. Please click like and subscribe to watch other videos. Thank you.